Our next topic is SSB demodulator. For the detection of SSB signal, we use a technique called coherent or synchronous detection. It is a similar arrangement that is used for the demodulation of double sideband suppressed carrier signals. So, in coherent or synchronous detection technique, we use a product modulator that is followed by a low-pass filter. In the synchronous detection, the locally generated carrier signal is applied to the product modulator, and the frequency of this locally generated carrier, that is f suffix c, is matched or synchronous with the frequency of the carrier signal used at the transmitter side. Or we can say that the receiver is matched or synchronized with the transmitter for proper detection of SSB wave. Here the locally generated carrier is cos 2 pi fct, having unit amplitude. Another input of the product modulator is SSB signal, that is represented by S function of t, and it is given by AC by 2 within bracket mt cos 2 pi fct minus plus m cap t sin 2 pi fct. Here m cap t is the Hilbert transform of message signal mt. Now the output of the product modulator is simply the product of input signals, that is SSB signal and locally generated carriers. So yt is equals to st into cos 2 pi fct. Now in place of st we can write AC by 2 within bracket mt cos 2 pi fct minus plus m cap t sin 2 pi fct. That is called single sideband. And after taking the product of these two input signals, we get two terms. The first term is AC by 2 mt cos square 2 pi fct, and the second term is AC by 2 m cap t cos 2 pi fct into sin 2 pi fct. Between the two terms there is a sign minus plus. Minus for upper single sideband and plus for lower single sideband. Now we further solve this equation. In the first term there is cos square 2 pi fct. So we can use a formula cos square a equals to 1 plus cos 2a upon 2. And in the second term there is cos 2 pi fct into sin 2 pi fct. Here we use a formula cos a sin b, that is 1 upon 2 within bracket sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. And after substituting these formula, we get output of the product modulator, that is yt equals to AC upon 4 into mt plus AC upon 4 mt cos 4 pi fct minus plus AC upon 4 m cap t sin 4 pi fct. Here the first term is called a scaled message signal, that is proportional to the modulating signal mt. And in the second and third term there is a higher frequency component, that is 4 pi fct. So these are unwanted components and can be neglected by using a low pass filter. So the low pass filter allow only the first term that correspond to the message signal or modulating signal and reject the higher frequency component. So the output of the low pass filter is y0 t, and it is equals to AC upon 4 into mt, that is a scaled version of message signal.